Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. I am Albin Nimalraj, research scholar at Loyola College, Chennai. So, in the past few months, the Nifty has been rallying between 1500 to 18500. The Nifty is going down and again it's reaching a new high in the past few months. So, we can expect a sharp correction in the near future and it will be a great opportunity for the stock pickers to get quality stocks at a good price. But the IT stocks, the IT index that we were discussing in the last videos and all, they are already in correction like Tech Mahindra, HCL and even Wipro. They have corrected by about a 40% from their 52 weeks high. So it's a great time to accumulate these stocks in small quantities because these stocks have a great potential to get a lot of earnings, a lot of revenue in the near future, and these are all dollar denominated stocks wherein the earnings that they get through the foreign clients, it will be in denominations of dollar, and as the rupee is weakening, there will be profit for these companies in the near future. And a good news for the shareholders of HCL. HCL is going to announce dividend for its shareholders in this week, and those of you who have bought HCL shares will be very much benefited. Other retail investors can accumulate these IT based stocks for nearly some 1 to 1.5 years, and they have to wait for some 3 to 4 years to get benefit of investment. And the topic that we are going to discuss today is about a business standard article that has been published on Monday regarding the Ola CEO's new announcement. This content is available in Tamil in our own YouTube channel Money Pechu, and the link for that video is given in the description below. So let's proceed with the topic. The Ola CEO has announced that they are going to venture into commercial vehicles like in three wheelers as well as in four wheeler segment. This Ola company, they started their business as a cab hiring business. Then they entered into bike taxis and all. And after that, they just switched over to electric vehicle segment. They started to make electric vehicle like scooters and all. They spent around 10,000 crores and they have set up a plan for electric vehicle scooters. And then they announced that they are going to enter into EV cars as well. But in all these business, they haven't made any profits. All these business of Ola are incurring losses only, and now its CEO has said that they are going to enter into commercial vehicles as well. But this is a highly competitive segment. And the CEO has also said that they are set to compete with the Tata Motors as well as Mahindra and Mahindra. All of us know that Tata Motors is a very strong company as it is backed by Tata Group. Even though the business is incurring loss because of its loss making unit JLR, it has a great future. It has a great scope in the near future, and all its subsidiaries, or predominantly many of its subsidiaries, are profit making companies only. And in the last video we were talking about one of its subsidiary, Tata Technologies, that is going to roll out its IPO in the near future. So, except JLR, all other products are doing well for Tata, and it is backed by the Tata group of companies. The Tata group of companies have many profitable ventures like TCS, Titan, and all, and they can easily pump in money into Tata Motors and they can be highly competitive. And Tata Motors have made a great recovery in their consumer segment, like their new products like Tiago, Tigor, Nexon have made a great comeback in the consumer segment, and they have also planned to launch EV based commercial vehicles as well. Like they are planned to launch Tata Ace on a electric vehicle mode, and they have also bagged an order from Flipkart and Amazon for nearly 39,000 EV Tata Ace products. So out of the first 1 lakh of their initial sales, they have already got nearly 40,000 order from Flipkart as well as Amazon. They have greatly recovered in their consumer market segment, and they have reclaimed their top second spot from Hyundai, and even they have come up with a great initiative in the commercial vehicle segment as well through electric vehicles. And moving on to Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra have already introduced EVs in three wheelers and four wheeler segment in the name Trio and Triozor. They are lithium ion backed electric vehicles, and it is already launched, it is already available in the market. With regard to the electric vehicle in two-wheeler segment, it's a highly competitive segment because there are a lot of players involved in this electric vehicle segment of the two-wheeler thing. So first, the Chinese players are predominantly there in this two-wheeler EV segment, and Bajaj, a late comer in this two-wheeler EV segment. They have launched their EV under the name Cheetah. It has a very high goodwill and a reputation. And this company, Bajaj, its brand name, its goodwill, its capital, its liquidity position, everything is fine, and it's a debt-free company. So it has a very high scope in the near future. And another major competitor in this EV segment with regard to two-wheelers is Ather. And Hero MotoCorp has invested nearly 40% of equity in this Ather. So all these players are profit making company, and they have a lot of experience in the two-wheeler segment and even in other segments as well. So they can easily capture the market share in this electric vehicle segment very easily for sure. But Ola, as the CEO, has claimed that they are going to compete with Tata Motors as well as with Mahindra and Mahindra. Tata Motors is already a giant. Mahindra and Mahindra is the holding company of many other companies like Tech Mahindra, Mahindra Holidays, and so on. They are a giant group of business. So Ola is already a loss-making company. What and all business they enter into, they are just loss-making. Till now, their funding is from SoftBank. But moving forward, when they venture into this commercial vehicle segment, they need a lot of capital. They need a lot of working capital to pump in funds into this electric vehicle segment. But we don't know whether SoftBank will be backing this one because they haven't made a good sales record in the two-wheeler electric vehicle segment. So Tata Motors DVR is trading at around 215 to 220, and we can accumulate this stock because its low point is nearly 179 and its high is around 270. So it is in the midway. So we can accumulate this Tata Motors DVR stock, and the other stock is Mahindra and Mahindra. We can buy this stock because, as I already told you, this is a holding company for other stocks like Tech Mahindra, Mahindra group of companies, and it has a lot of product lines. It has cars, commercial vehicles, software technology, resorts, and so on. It has a wide range of business, so we can accumulate Mahindra and Mahindra. And Bajaj, a debt-free company, so it has a better scope in the near future and it has a better plan. So all these three stocks, they are into EV production, and it is the next generation business. Accumulate these stocks in small quantities at good time to make value investing. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, click on the like button, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell notification as well. Thank you all.
I want to thank all of you for supporting our event in Oman with great enthusiasm. A lot of people turned up in Oman, and a place where I don't have much influence. I wish to thank all of you for your support. The next event is going to be in Qatar, Doha. The event is scheduled for the last week of January. Those who would like to meet me in person in Qatar, Doha, or come to our event in Doha can send their request to the mail ID given below or contact the WhatsApp number flashing on the screen. My team will respond to you. See you in Qatar in the last week of Jan. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.